Hello guys, welcome to Jummy Apparel YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to draft a basic sleeve. The perfect way we can draft our basic sleeve. Also, we need this measurements. We need our bicep, our elbow. The bicep can also be called as the upper bodice. Okay, and we need our resist diagram of how you can take the measurements. So we need to get our margin line. Yes, our margin line, as we always do, at the top of our paper pattern, like this. So the length of my sleeve is 23 inches. So the length of my sleeve is 23 inches. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going to draw it out also. All right. Okay. So at the center of the pattern paper, I'm going to rule out a margin line there too. That's the center. At the center of the pattern paper. Okay. So the first thing is to get our bicep or our upper arm measurements. Mine is 5.5 inches. Mine is 5.5 inches there. Then my round bicep or upper arm is 13 inches. So divided by 2 will give me 6.5. So I'm going to mark 6.5 at the right side and at the other side too, at the both sides, starting from the center point. Then I'm going to rule it out. Okay. All right, now the next is to get my elbow measurement, elbow line. My elbow is 13 inches. Yeah, 13 inches is my elbow line. So my round elbow measurement is 11 inches. So if I divide it into 2, it's going to give me 5.5. So I'll be reading out 5.5 from the both side. I'm going to start at the same center of the margin line. Yeah, just like that. Okay, 5.5 at the other side too. So I'm going to rule it out same way. Okay. So the next line is my wrist measurement. Okay. My round wrist is 8 inches. Sorry, 8 inches divided by 2 is going to give us 4. So 4 are the both sides, 4 are the right and 4 are the left side. So the next thing is to connect these lines together. Okay, before then I want to label it. That's my bicep and that's my elbow line. Yeah, and the next is my wrist line. Okay, so now I'm going to connect these 3 lines together. All right, just like this. Okay. All right, so you're going to connect the other line together at the other side. Okay, so at the edge of the pattern of the paper, that's the cap, we're going to connect it this way. That's the cap edge. We're going to connect it like this. Okay, all right. So we need to determine where we want to use as the front or as the back. So I'm going to use that side as our front sleeve, and that will be it for the back. For the back. So the front line, I'm going to measure out what is there. Whatever we have there, I'll be dividing it by 2 inches. By 2, sorry. After dividing it by 2, then I'm going to divide the remaining one by 2 again. So I'll place it at both sides. Yeah. So what we have here, I'll put it there. Okay, just like we are dividing it into four places. Whatever measurement we have to divide it into 4. So now we can see that we have that 3 dots. Okay, at the first dot, we are going to come up. We are coming out by 0.8 inches. 0.8 inch. Yeah, we are not coming in, we are coming out. Then we are coming out by 0.3 inch. Then yeah, we are coming in, we are going to come in inside by ½ inch. All right, so we are going to connect all these lines starting from the cap head there, just like that. So we can use our pencil, if we have a pencil, just to trace it out first before we use our armhole curve. All right, please carefully, we need to be careful when we are trying to use our armhole curve. So better still, we can first of all dot it out the way I do it. Then we will now use our armhole curve to curve it out just this way. Just like this. Okay. All right. Okay, so we have our front sleeve side. Then for the back too, we are going to divide it into 4, just like that. Divide it by 2, then also divide it by 2 again. So it's going to give us 3 dots, same way as the front, just like that. Okay, so at the edge of that place, instead we are going to come out by 0.6 inches, 6 inches. The middle one, we are going to come out by 0.3 inches, same thing we used for the front side. Then for the last one, we are coming in by 0.4 inch. So we are going to dot it together. Yeah, just like that. So if we do it this way, it's very easier for us to use. So to place our armhole, then I'm going to use my armhole curve to curve it out. Like this. Okay. Just like that. Yeah. So okay, so we have our basic sleeve pattern now. Okay, that's for the front and that's for the back. So the difference between the two is that the front is more deeper or more than the back. So if we go back to our basic pattern, so I've added ½ inch seam allowance around the basic sleeve. So if we go back to our basic sleeve pattern, as I said earlier, if we take it together, we are going to see that it will be accurate with our basic bodies. So if you have not watched the video of our basic bodies, please, I'm going to put out the link below so we can click on it. Then we'll be able to know how to drag our basic body. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share my video, okay, if this video has been helpful to you guys. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much.